Are you ready to sell pre-made AI systems without writing a single line of code? It's easier than you think. Simple AI systems are selling for hundreds of dollars, and the people selling them are not coding experts. They are simply packaging smart workflows using tools like ChatGPT and automation platforms. No engineering degree required. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into smart income. If AI feels powerful but overwhelming, this video is for you. A pre-made AI system is not software. It's a repeatable workflow. It takes an input, uses AI to process it, and produces a useful output automatically. That's the entire framework. You are not selling AI itself. You are selling time savings, clarity, and consistency. That's what businesses truly value. There are 3 types of AI systems that consistently sell well and offer great starting points. The first type is content and marketing systems. These are the easiest to start with, helping businesses generate content faster and easier. The second type is client intake and response systems. These save time by automating responses and organizing client information. The third type is internal productivity systems. They help teams think faster and work smarter by reducing friction inside a business. Let me walk you through a real example you could build today, an AI email reply system. First, create a simple Google form asking for the customer message, the business type, and the preferred tone. Next, send that information to ChatGPT with a specific prompt that tells it to write a professional email reply based on the input. Finally, deliver the output. It can appear on screen, be emailed, or saved automatically in a document. Now let's talk about how people actually sell these systems and generate income. The first way is selling templates. Package the prompt and workflow instructions and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy for between $19 and $99. The second option is selling setup services. You install and customize the system for a client as a one-time service, usually for $150 to $500. The third option is bundling and licensing. Package multiple systems into a toolkit or monthly membership for a specific niche to scale your income. Remember, you are not selling AI. You are selling systems that solve real business problems. This is one of the smartest AI side hustles right now. Download my free AI Money Starter Kit for beginner-friendly workflows and examples, and subscribe to Purposefully AI for more smart income strategies.